Hello everyone. Today my topic is the helium atom problem solved by perturbation method. Helium atom consists of two electron with same charge minus E revolves around a positive nucleus with atomic number Z, and R1 and R2 are the position vector of electron related to nucleus, and R12 is the position vector of one electron related to other. Then potential energy of such system is given by V is equal to Q1 Q2 ZE nucleus into minus E electron upon R2 plus ZE into minus E upon R1 plus E square upon R12, where we have neglect or ignore the constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This energy E square by R12 is due to interaction between electrons. Such term, interaction potential energy between electrons, this topic is taken in perturbation theory because the disturbance produced due to such interaction energy in the helium atom. The Hamiltonian of the system is given by H is equal to kinetic energy of system plus potential energy of system plus a interaction energy E square by R12. This can be written as H naught plus H dash. H naught is the Hamiltonian, is called unperturbed Hamiltonian, and H dash is called perturbed Hamiltonian. Helium atom is similar to two electron hydrogen atom. So unperturbed part of Hamiltonian have solution psi is equal to wave function of one electron plus wave function of other electron. So for hydrogen atom, one nucleus plus one electron. Electron moves around the nucleus. So Schrodinger equation will be of electron, and the solution of the Schrodinger equation gives the value of wave function of wave associated with such moving electron. Their value is given by under root z cube upon pi a naught cube e to the power psi 1 naught is equal to under root z cube upon pi a naught cube. A naught is the Bohr radius, e to the power minus z r1 upon a naught. Since it has two electrons, so the wave function is the product of wave function of electrons. And the energy corresponding to unperturbed Hamiltonian H naught is given by the solution of Schrodinger equation of hydrogen atom E naught is equal to minus 2z square omega h upon n square, where omega h is equal to this. Now calculate the first order energy correction with the theory of perturbation. E dash is equal to psi naught star h dash psi naught d tau. So E dash is equal to psi naught star z cube upon pi naught. Psi naught is the value of psi naught is substitute from last equation, and Hamiltonian h dash is equal to E square upon R12. Then you will get, and d tau. D tau is the volume element. In this case, two electrons revolves around the nucleus. So volume element d tau 1, d tau 2. D tau 1, d tau 2 is equal to 4 pi r1 square dr1 and 4 pi r2 square dr2 in spherical polar coordinate. Now substituting in above equation, you will get this. Now changing in other variable rho, assumed 2z r upon a naught is equal to rho. So 2z r1 upon a naught is equal to rho 1. 2z r2 upon a naught is equal to rho 2. So r1 square dr1, dr1 from this, dr1 is equal to a naught upon 2z d rho 1. r1 square dr1 is equal to this. r2 square dr2 is equal to this. Now substituting r1 square dr1, r2 square dr2 and r12 with the help of this, r12 is equal to a naught upon 2z rho 12. After solving, we will get z square upon twice a naught and this term. This equation is solved by contour integration and you will get the value of 5 by 4. So the result is E dash is equal to 5z E square upon 8 a naught. Thus the energy after first order correction E naught plus E dash. E naught की वैल्यू लास्ट एक्सप्रेशंस में दी हुई है. E naught. So you will get the value of 2z square omega h upon n square, and this is the total energy after correction. For helium atom, Z is equal to 2 and A naught is equal to this value. After putting, you will get the value of minus 2.75 m naught e to the power 4 upon h cut square. This value, this correction term 5 by 8 z square upon a naught, about 31% of energy without perturbation. मतलब इस एनर्जी का ये 31% होता है. एंड करेक्शन टर्म इज सबट्रैक्टिव because this is a minus and this is a plus. So correction term is subtractive. So electron interaction reduces the electron nucleus attraction. मतलब interaction between electron reduces the interaction between electron and nucleus. मतलब this is a nucleus and this is a one electron, this is a another electron. This is the interaction between electron. And ZE and E, interaction between nucleus and electron. Interaction energy between, interaction term between electrons. Such a interaction term produces the energy 5 by 8 ZE square upon E naught, which is 31% of this. And this is a positive and this is a negative. So the correction term is additive term. So the interaction between electron and nucleus is reduced by the interaction between electron. This is the end of my lecture.